Hello students, welcome back to our channel Study Shastra. In this video we are going to study about the topic equilibrium level of income by saving and investment. This is a part 5th of this determination of income and employment chapter, class 12th topic. Students, according to Keynes, equilibrium level of national income is established at the point where savings and investments are equal, which means that there is an equilibrium between the saving and investment. Saving refers to that part of national income which is not spent on consumption purpose. Investment refers to an increase in the capital stock of income used during a given period of time. And there were two types of savings, ex-ante savings and ex-post savings. As we know that we will save and invest our income, and ex-ante means before and ex-post means after. So before saving means that what the consumer plan to save at different level of income in an economy. Students, ex-ante means that what we plan in the beginning, and ex-post means what is realized at the end. So similarly, if ex-post saving were there, it means that realized saving in an economy during a year. Similarly, for investment also we have these two types, ex-ante investment and ex-post investment. Ex-ante investment says it means what the investor plans to invest at different level of income, that is its planning. And ex-post investment is it refers to realized investment in an end of an economy, that what kind of investment he had made. Equilibrium level of national income, which is our main topic over here, is that it is determined where ex-ante savings is equals to ex-ante investment, that is our planned savings is equals to planned investment. And as we determine AD and AS equilibrium by approaching AD and AS, so we got I equals to S. So if we have to determine the equilibrium level of income, so we will use the both AD and AS and savings and investment. As we know, there is some autonomous consumption over here and there is some dis-saving in the economy, because consumer will start its expenditure at a zero level of income as well. So this is all about the equilibrium level of national income. Hope you learned about this topic briefly, and thank you for watching.